What's going on, YouTube? And today we're on Repel IT, and I'm gonna be taking a look at like my very first program assignments. So I think I have like assignments from like almost 2 years ago, or more than 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago, when I was first learning Python. So this one's just name my name. Let's see what it's about. Blank. Perfect. What a great start to the video. Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Let's see what this is. Input. So to keep in mind, this is when I was first learning Python. So let's see. Input, what is your name? Print, nice to meet you. So I was just learning how to do this. And I thought it was so cool. I would ask for someone's name and then I would say it back to them. And this looks like this is like a stock project where you buy stocks. How many stocks did you purchase? How much? It just calculates the price of the stocks. I don't know why it has all this other like BS pretty much. It seems like all your stocks have sold. Name. How much did you sell them for? Yeah, just calculate the stocks you made. The stocks you purchased. Your initial purchase price. Alright, let's run it. Alright, let me actually put my information in. Ruben. Nice to meet you, Ruben. You purchased stocks. What is the name of the stock you purchased? Let's go the classic Apple. I like Apple. I like Apple as well. How many stocks did you purchase? I bought 10. Let's look up the Apple stock. Ooh. It's $174. $174. Wow, it seems like all your stocks have sold, Ruben. How much of these stocks sell for? How many of these stocks did you? Okay. Say they sold for $150. Okay, your initial purchase price $1,700. That's correct. You paid a 2% initial on your purchase. Okay, that's cool. Congratulations, your stock sold for $1,500. You paid 2% to the broker to sell your stock. Your possible profit after paying out the interest is $1,435. But I paid $1,700. Man, I lost $300. I was just learning. Let's run it again. See if we could actually make money this time. Nice to meet you. Heard you purchased some stocks. What is the name of the stocks you purchased? Apple again. I like Apple as well. How many stocks did you purchase? Let's go even 200. $174. Oh, they all sold. How much did each stock sell for? Let's go $20. So I paid $34,800. Okay, 2% for the purchase, which that's a lot. $696. I sold them for what is it? $40K. And then I paid the stockbroker $800. So I made like a little bit over like maybe $4K. A little bit less. That was cool. Let's see what else I made. Like 2 years ago when I was first learning how to code. Don't lie to me. I know there's more. Alert, line with green Java bean. What is this? Blank. Perfect. This should take me way back. I thought I was gonna be like some like super programmer hacker kind of guy. What is this shit? Probably blank again. Yep. I'm like, yeah, I know Python. I can work for Google now and shit. I think I remember doing this one, the turtle program. Import turtle. It don't even work. Let's see what else. Python turtle. Let's see, Python with turtle. Oh, okay. What was I doing with? Oh, there's a lot right here. Let's see. It should paint like a little picture out. Wow. I drew a triangle, and then a triangle. I was probably so proud of myself when I first did this. So that was fun. I remember using turtle. That was pretty fun. Let's see what else I have. Oh, chapter 3 done. This is probably ready to turn in. Let's see this. Package weight equals float input. What is the weight of your package? Miles shipped. If package greater or equal to 2 and miles shipped greater or equal to 500, 2 or less equals 110. Okay. Oh, we're just assigning this variable. Oh, it's just like a little package program, like FedEx package, like calculating the shipping price. Print your total is format 2 or less. Oh, okay. If your package is worth more or equal to 2 and miles shipped less than 500, 110. Oh, okay. It's just a little package program to calculate the shipping. What is the weight of your pack? 1,000 pounds. How many miles are you shipping it? 1. 380. Is that correct? Let's see. If your package weight is more than 10 and miles shipped is greater than 5, I don't think that's right. No, let's see. If package weight is less than 10, no. Package weight greater than 10. Yeah, I think that's right. Let's run it like a better one. Let's go 5, and we're shipping it 200 miles, 220. So what would that be at? If package weight is greater or equal to 2, less or equal to 2, no. Is this right? If package weight, so we're at 5. Package weight is greater or equal to 2. And yeah, that's right. So only was, I knew what I was doing a little bit. I could make this so much simpler now, but it was cool to see what I was doing back then. Let's see another one. So I think we just looked at chapter 3. Chapter 4, Rubik's Code. Let's see this. Number of floors in the hotel. I learned how to do a for loop. 4 numbers then. What is this? How many floors in the hotel? For number in range, number of floors, 0.4 number. Oh, okay. So I'll ask you the number of floors, and then from there I'll ask you the number of rooms. And then you'll put in how many rooms are unavailable, and then it'll tell you. Let's see if it still works. How many floors? So 5. Floor 1, how many? Okay, 2. Oh, I'll ask you by room, by floor. I'll ask you how many are available. How many rooms? It's even like spelled incorrectly. How many rooms are unavailable on this floor? So I put there's 2 unavailable. 5, 8, 2, and 4. The occupancy rate is 1. Although altogether the hotel has 5 floors, 4 rooms available, and no, not even right. 2. I don't even know if this is right, but it's kind of cool though. Let's look at one more. Because I have a like Python one, C++, one of the assembly ones. I want to go over my assembly ones. Those were tough. Test chapter 3. Oh, stop sign. I think I made a stop sign with the turtle program. Yeah, I remember this. Let's see how it looks. I remember they were supposed to color it in, but I had no idea how to do that. So I just turned it in and I got full credit. Man, this brings me back, man. When first starting the program, I thought I was gonna, man, I was that guy when I first started. I was gonna work for Google, man. I was gonna hack everything. But man, time goes by. I think it was like 2 years ago. See when the first program was. Doing this shit on Rappel on my little laptop. Man, this brings me back. Back when programming was like super fun because it was like so new. February 1st, 2020, 10:56. Damn, this shit brings me back. Now we're in 2022. Today's February 3rd. Oh shit, almost exactly a little bit over 2 years. Man, this one programming was like super fun. Damn, this was pre-COVID. No, wait, was it pre-COVID? Yeah, it was pre-COVID. I would actually go into school and like actually learn in college. But damn, this is cool, man. I want to do another one of these. If you guys enjoy, leave a like and subscribe.